name is Uruj Fatma and I'm a dentist and also a content creator. And nobody else is your competition, you're your own competitor. How to monetize your platform. So right now you're like a bridge between the consumer and the producer. Up consumer market dekhe and then also see what you're interested and inclined towards. Just be yourself. No two minds can bring the same idea. Learn how social media marketing works. Learn what content creators are doing all around the world. See what they're doing for themselves, what prices they're setting. Gather all the knowledge that you have had collected over years and then put it into your brand. My name is Uruj Fatma and I'm a dentist and also a content creator, and I've been creating content for the past 10 years now, I guess, more or less. In all fields actually. I've been creating content around literature and lifestyle and also fashion and also mental health as well a little bit. So my number one tip is nobody else is your competition, you're your own competitor. और आपको बिल्कुल भी इस चीज़ के बारे में डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि if I want to lower my prices or if I want to set a price for my work, it will go to somebody else, because what you're bringing to the table, nobody else is. The second tip is that internet has so much to offer. Educate yourself, learn how social media marketing works, learn what content creators are doing all around the world, see what they're doing for themselves, what prices they're setting, and then you'll be more able to put a value on your work as well. My third and final tip is just be yourself. No two minds can bring the same idea, and that is what distinguishes you from the other creator. And ये बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है. There are plenty of fish in the sea और ये कभी भी सैचुरेट नहीं हो सकती. One question that I get asked a lot is कि how does it bring you money, like content creation और social media platforms होते हैं, तो इसमें brand partnerships तो होती हैं, लेकिन you have to think beyond that as well, क्योंकि there is gonna be a point where it's all gonna end. तो उस टाइम पे आपको अपना एक brand create करना है. So right now you're like a bridge between the consumer and the producer. आप consumer market देखें and then also see what you're interested and inclined towards. For example, I was always enthusiastic about skincare. I was always enthusiastic about how skin works and skin products, and I used to see a lot of people actually listening to what I had to say. So I invested all of the knowledge that I created, like I gathered over years, and I invested into my own brand and I started my own skincare का brand. जब आप एक इंडस्ट्री में इतना सारा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो ना, तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि यार कंज्यूमर को ये चाहिए, दिस इज हाउ मार्केटिंग वर्क्स, दिस इज व्हाट यू आर गुड एट. इसमें आपकी नॉलेज बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड इस चीज़ की मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा है. और उसके अलावा द वर्ल्ड इज इवॉल्विंग सो फास्ट. अभी देखें तो कुछ टाइम पहले ऐसा लगता है फेसबुक का ज़माना था और अब इंस्टाग्राम का ज़माना है, एंड देन नाउ देयर इज टिकटॉक एंड देन देयर इज गोना बी अ लॉट ऑफ मोर प्लेटफॉर्म्स कमिंग अलोंग द वे. सो यू नेवर नो व्हाट्स गोना वर्क फॉर यू एंड व्हाट्स नॉट, बट व्हाट्स ऑलवेज गोना वर्क फॉर यू इज हैविंग योर ओन ब्रांड एसोसिएटेड टू यू, बिकॉज दैट इज सस्टेनेबल. So gather all the knowledge that you have had collected over years and then put it into your brand. I started creating content जब I took a gap year after FSC. मेरा admission नहीं हुआ था, like most students, and I used to post pictures of books that I would read and then उनका review, and it was a very new genre and a very new platform for me, especially Instagram उस time पे. So when I got into my medical college, that is when I started lifestyle content creation. और उसकी भी एक वजह ये थी कि I had nothing better to do and I had this habit of recommending and telling people कि ये कर लो ये कर लो ये कर लो. तो I thought why not एक platform के ऊपर ही मैं बताना शुरू कर दूँ. The one question that I get asked the most is कि how did I manage alongside my studies, मतलब Instagram भी और studying भी, and I don't really have an answer for that क्योंकि it just kind of becomes your second nature when you're doing something for so long, and in the beginning it's just you're so enthusiastic and you have so much energy, और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता it just becomes a part of your nature and then you manage it side by side. So when I started, the industry was fairly new. The concept was very alien. People did not know a lot about what content creation is, what fashion lifestyle and makeup blogging is, और acceptance भी थोड़ी सी कम थी. हम लोग बहुत गिने चुने थे. We were very prominent, and then people were very fascinated by what we were posting, and then they were also finding it extremely relatable because उससे पहले पाकिस्तान में इस तरह से blogging का concept नहीं था. And I'm so glad that I and other girls alongside and other content creators alongside, we stood our ground, and now content creation is a full-time profession for so many people. So मुझे ये लगता है कि with time, as we progressed, people started getting aware of how this marketing works. Social media marketing was a very alien and foreign concept, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में फिर एकदम से it boomed. So I feel like post COVID social media industry की और social media marketing की awareness एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ी and a lot of new players were in the game. Competition भी बढ़ गया, brands had more options to choose from and उसी के साथ साथ I feel like since new kids they were a little unaware of how marketing and social media marketing works, they were more prone to getting taken advantage of as well. And I personally feel like when it was us and my fellow content creators, we used to have a lot of communication between each other and we would see each other not as competitors but as, you know, people who are building each other up. तो उसमें एक चीज़ का फ़ायदा बहुत ज़्यादा ये होता था कि we knew what price to set, we knew what we were worth and we knew what we were bringing to the table, so we wouldn't get exploited, we wouldn't get taken advantage of. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस एज में and in this era the new creators they need to be a little more, you know, aware of what other fellow creators are doing and set some boundaries, have some ground rules and know what they are bringing to the table because they are bringing a lot. So this is all I knew about how to monetize your platform and I hope that you learned a thing or two from it. And आखिर में मुझे यही बोलना है कि keep evolving, always make sure it's fun for you and keep creating.